What is DEXtools? DEXtools is a platform and an ecosystem that allows traders to track information about all decentralized markets. It allows users to have a clear vision of their trading, investments, and the current state of the market. What are advantages and features of DEXtools? Accurate pricing. DEXtools is almost 100% accurate. So, it's always best to check the price here first before purchasing a token. Trending tokens. In the middle section of DEXtools you can see coins that are trending. This section is useful if you want to hop onto the next trend or if you just want to see where the money is currently flowing. Charts and tokenomics. If you are looking for the charts and tokenomics of a specific token, you may enter in the name of the token or the contract address in the search bar for the DEX you're using. Transaction overview. If you scroll down from the chart, you will see more details about the buy and sell orders including wallet addresses and amount of the token bought or sold. Pool Explorer. The Pool Explorer DEX tool allows users to find trending pools with ease. Pair Explorer. The Pair Explorer feature allows for tracking the history and price action charts of assets in real time and following a user's favorite tokens. Big Swaps. The platform has the Big Swaps tool that allows for the tracking of big traders, commonly known as crypto whales. Multi-swap. The platform allows users to interact with multiple pairs on a single screen. What is DEXT? DEXT is the native token of DEXtools, and it is trading at $0.280455 with a 24-hour trading volume of $126,564. To start using this platform, you only need to connect your wallets to it. The connected wallets should only be the supported types such as MetaMask, Wallet Connect, Wallet Link, Taurus, Fortmatic, Ethereum, MEW. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.